Hi, I'm Rachel from Maison de Pax, and today my helpers and I are going to show you how to make milk carton birdhouses. My mission at Maison de Pax is to inspire others to pursue peace at home. Usually that looks like DIY and decorating projects, but as a homeschooling mother of 4, I also have a serious passion for family fun and education. So I was absolutely thrilled when the Home Depot asked me to partner on a project for elementary-aged kids. With 4 kids ranging in age from 2 to almost 10, I have lots of experience entertaining and teaching little ones. Today's project is a classic. We are going to turn half-gallon milk cartons into darling birdhouses. It combines recycling, art, construction, nature, and science all in one. Let's get started. These are the things you'll need for this project: a half-gallon milk carton, 1 per kid, spray paint for your base color, craft paints and brushes for decorating, a 5 to 8 inch twig for your perch, some hot glue to secure your perch, clear sealer to waterproof your birdhouse, a utility knife and scissors to cut the door, the hole for the perch, and the hole for the string, string or twine to hang your birdhouse, and small rocks or birdseed to anchor the house. First, you'll want to wash and dry your milk carton thoroughly. Then return the cap to the top of the carton. Next, put a drop cloth down in a well-ventilated area and spray paint your milk carton your base color of choice. You can also simply brush on any primer or paint you have available. I just liked the smooth, secure, spray-painted base color. If you don't have any paint at home, feel free to use construction paper and glue as an alternative. Once your base coat is dry, trace a circle in the middle of one side of the milk carton. Have an adult use the utility knife to cut a door for the birdhouse. Next, use various colors of paint to decorate your birdhouse. All ages can work independently and freely on this creative step. Again, if paint is not available, feel free to use stickers, markers, paper and glue, or even sequins and ribbons to decorate your birdhouse. The sky's the limit. Once the decorations have dried, have an adult cut a small X with a utility knife approximately 1 inch below the door. Then carefully push the twig through the hole to create a perch, both inside and outside the carton. Secure in place with hot glue. Next, have an adult poke 3 to 4 holes in the bottom of the carton for drainage, and 2 holes in the top to hang the birdhouse. The best way I found to string the twine is to poke holes in the gables of the birdhouse and run the twine through the carton. You may have to put your hand inside the birdhouse to poke the string out the second hole. The final step is to waterproof the houses. If you want to use your birdhouse indoors as a playhouse, then this step is optional. But if you want to hang your birdhouse outside, then this step will protect your decorations, whatever weather may come. To seal your birdhouse, return to your well-ventilated area and your drop cloth and spray the clear sealer all over the house. Once it's dry, you can hang the birdhouse. Find a spot at least 5 feet off the ground. If you can, choose a spot that you can easily see from the window, allowing you to enjoy your birdhouse and observe nature at work, even from inside. The final step is to anchor the birdhouse so it won't blow away in the wind. Place some small rocks or pebbles into the bottom of your birdhouse. Alternatively, if you'd like to use this as a bird feeder, you can simply anchor it with birdseed for your new little friends. And that's it. It's super simple. But with drying times, this can be a full-day educational project. A little lesson in cleaning and organizing in the morning, followed by an outdoor DIY session, after lunch, some indoor craft time, and then another outdoor option. And finally, in the late afternoon, you've got a science and nature study. Plus, it offers future weeks or months of nature observation and a multitude of self-confidence.